How to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Reddit. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. The first thing first, if it has only been like couple hours since you have been facing this problem, then you need to wait for at least 6 hours. If it has been like more than 1 or 2 days, then here is what you should do to fix your problem. First of all, head over to your App Store or Play Store. Once it is so, search for your Reddit application. As it is so, make sure that you see Open instead of Update. In case you see Update, tap on Update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap onto Apps. Here you have to search for Reddit. So type in Reddit and open your Reddit application. Tap Storage and simply clear the cache. Now, in case you remember your credentials like your username and password of Reddit, you may also go ahead, tap on Delete Data and delete the data. Now once it is so, you have to restart your device, launch your Reddit, and this shall work. If it's still not working, then you can still use your Reddit account via a web browser. Open any of your preferred web application like Chrome or Google, and then get logged into your account and use it from there. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.